Have you ever wondered what secrets a parrot holds? This vibrant bird is more than just a pretty face. It carries profound wisdom and messages from the universe. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the parrot has been a symbol of wisdom and intelligence, revered for its ability to mimic human speech and convey deep insights. In various spiritual traditions, the parrot is seen as a divine messenger, its colorful feathers representing the beauty and vitality of the divine. The parrot's radiant plumage is a testament to nature's richness and diversity, inspiring joy, enthusiasm, and optimism in those who behold it. But the parrot also carries a cautionary message about the power of words, reminding us to communicate thoughtfully and avoid the pitfalls of gossip and deceit. Adaptability is another key lesson from the parrot, as it thrives in diverse environments, teaching us to embrace change and face challenges with resilience. In mythologies and folklore, the parrot is often depicted as a loyal companion, symbolizing trust, friendship, and the importance of meaningful connections. However, the parrot's ability to mimic can also symbolize deceit and trickery, warning us to seek authenticity and avoid superficiality in our interactions. In art and literature, the parrot is a symbol of exoticism and adventure, capturing our imagination with its vibrant colors and association with tropical regions. So the next time a parrot crosses your path, remember its messages of wisdom, adaptability, joy, and authenticity. Let its symbolism guide you on your journey of growth and discovery.